What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to tighten your toilet if it's a little loose. Mine, it's a little loose, it shakes a little bit, but I'm going to teach you how to tighten it easily, quickly, and very cheap. So I'm going to show you what I have is, these are wing nuts, and the reason why I got these is because I can hand tighten these. Now, with me being able to hand tighten these, you know, I don't want to tighten them too tight, but I want to get it to where it's pretty tight on that side. Those both were loose, and there's a lot of reasons why they get loose, but you know, just sitting on it, the toilet moving, you know, a lot, and this one is actually very loose, but I'm gonna hand tighten these. All right, and that should pretty much do it. So as you can see, now you're gonna get a little movement, but it's not moving as much as it was before. But I definitely recommend. They're called wing nuts. Very simple fix. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.